Are you trying to remove a stripped screw? Oh man, those things are a pain. I have an easy, everyday solution for you. Hi guys, this is Tony and welcome to Easy Everyday Solutions. Solutions to make your life that much easier. Stripped screws are a real pain to get out, next to impossible, unless you have a nice thick rubber band. Simply place the rubber band over the screw hole, insert your screwdriver, press firmly, and turn slowly. Chances are good you're gonna get that thing out. There you go, removing a stripped screw the easy way. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time on Easy Everyday Solutions. Bye now.